Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials so you don't waste time chasing the wrong cause. Check your iOS version and model because solutions differ by generation. Once done, toggle airplane mode to reset radios and reboot the phone to clear transient glitches. Make sure apps have microphone permission in Settings Privacy Microphone. Without that, calls or apps can't use the mic. You're laying groundwork that prevents unnecessary steps later and isolates software versus hardware. Now you focus on routing and connectivity because most audio problems come from the path the sound takes. During a call, tap the audio button and explicitly select iPhone or speaker to force the internal mic. If Bluetooth is active, disconnect it to rule out headset faults. Test calls on both Wi-Fi and cellular to see if one network degrades audio. If Bluetooth seems suspect, turn it off. Forget the device and repair to clear pairing conflicts and incorrect profiles. Finish with deeper remediation steps after basic fixes fail. Reset network settings to clear carrier or Wi-Fi conflicts. Make sure you know your Wi-Fi passwords because they are erased. Check microphones, speakers, and the lightning port for lint. Clean carefully with a dry, soft brush because blockages mute sound. Test with voice memos and a FaceTime call to determine whether it's hardware. If audio remains bad, back up your iPhone and contact Apple support or an authorized service provider for diagnostic repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.